Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Time for an upgrade to the Captiva here. This is new to the fleet, 2014 Chevy Captiva Sport LTZ. Still has the halogen lights. So of course we want to upgrade that. We're going to put in the LED lights. We have the AutoOne LED headlights here. They reached out to us, seeing if we'd like to try them out. And we have used them in the past. And so far they're still working in the vehicle we put them in. No problems. So we can speak to that. That's been what, a couple years now we put those in. So with that, or a little over a year, almost 2 years. So they're still working. So you could say, hey, they work. But we're going to do that again today to this unit here. We'll show you what comes in the box. We got the highs, we got the lows. Probably the same stuff that normally comes in them. Yep, you got your bulbs right there. You're usually going to be able to tell your highs and your lows by the seal. You'll see when you take your old ones out. It comes with a little product manual. Some of these you've seen, they come with the little white gloves. Just try not to touch the diode part of the light and you'll be fine. You won't have to worry about it too much. But to do this Captiva, which is pretty straightforward, there's three 10 millimeter. We'll get you guys closer, but there's going to be three 10 millimeter bolts. There's two on top. There's one underneath this plastic trim panel. You can see the one here, the one here. There is one underneath here, but we got to pull this plastic trim panel up, which has these dang pop rivet things. I hate those, but we're going to pop those out. You're going to want to use one of these little tools here and try to get underneath the center piece and pop it up. Then use your trim tool to finish popping it. We're going to go around and get all the ones in this. We started on that half already. Two of them are already missing, so we'll have to pop something in there. But we're going to pop these last few out so we can get these changed out. Then I'll show you what it takes to pull that headlight lens out, which is pretty easy after you pull those three out. See, we were able to get that one pretty easy. So now we can just go under it like this, pull it up. So we're going to go around and do that to all of them, and then we'll pull these lenses out with the 310. So let me pull this off. All right, we got all of our plastic pieces out of here, which means we're going to just take the centerpiece off to get to the other bolt you'll see right here underneath the plastic. But before we do that, I want to give you a view of what the halogen looks like. So once we replace over to the LEDs, you can see the difference. These lenses do need to be restored a little bit. We will get to that and restore them, but they're going to look a whole lot better with the LEDs. But just wanted you guys to see that before, and then we'll do a side by side. You're going to be able to see that. Actually, do it. We got them. We got it already. Just can we get back far enough? Can you get them both in there? You can see the difference. We got the left side done, LED, right side halogen. You can tell way different. Let me pop on the highs. You guys see that? It's quite a bit of difference. I mean, that brighter white definitely shines good on the road. So we're going to get this other side switched out. We'll show you how to do that. That one's pretty simple to get this out. I'll show you. We're going to take this 10 millimeter, this 10 millimeter, and this 10 millimeter out. Quick and easy. Hardest part of those plastic clips, really. Popo got somebody. Anyway, we just take it like that. You lift up a little and pull away from your fender a little, because you want to be able to clear the rubber gasket from there. There we go. And we're just going to need to get to the back of here. You can see us open and close. I believe this one, yep, this one's the H11, which will be the low beam. And they're quarter twists, so you're just going to, see, starts at the bottom, it's only going to go over to here, so it's not even a quarter. Right to there, pull that out.
That would be your high beam, actually.
Is that the high beam, you think?
Mm-hmm.
How do you know? Had me all jacked up there. The wider seal is usually the low beam. So we got that one out. We're going to pull out the new one out the box. They're ready to go. They do have a bigger back end on them. You guys are going to be able to see that. With the fan, you can see they're a little thicker, but it does clear inside the housing. So you're going to want to reverse what you did, and you just put it in right there. Plug this back in. And that's it for that one. And then this just does a little bit of turn. And that's it for that one. Same thing for the high beam, except for the plug's a little different. You're just going to lift up the little tab and push down at the same time. That'll come off. You don't got to worry about losing the bulb in there. Again, these are just a little bit of a turn, not even a quarter turn. Set that one to the side. Pull out that one. I mean, there's so many different ones of these out there. I mean, we've tried, obviously, we've tried this one before. We've tried a bunch of other ones. You can check our channel out for the videos on those if you guys are looking at a particular brand. But like I said, we did put this in another project before. So far, so good. Actually, the AutoOnes, everything we've done the AutoOnes with has been a Chevy. The other one was a truck. Now this one's a Chevy car. And then we have other ones we used on all Fords. So I doubt that matters what brand it's on, but it just so happens to be for us. That's it for that. Then we're going to put that right back in, slide it in the same way. You have to finagle it a little bit because you got the rubber gaskets. That's going to want to sit in there like that. So we should, whoop, and got this plate down where it needs to be. There we go. They're all sitting in there. Now we're just going to get our bolts, put them on there. Let me put this stuff away so we don't drop these. Put these maybe in the trunk or something as backups in case you have an issue. All right. I mean, this job's pretty easy. The hardest part was probably taking them clips out of the plastic. It's one of those quick and cheap upgrades that make a huge difference on your vehicle. Now let me turn them both on. See what it's going to look like over here. Get this stuff back in the box so we don't hurt anything. All right, I'll turn those on. You get in front. We're going to show them, both of them now. Dang, that looks a lot brighter, doesn't it? Oh, we got beams on it. Yeah, there you go. Both beams working?
Both beams are working.
I mean, I can tell on the side of the trailer, it looks a lot brighter. Yeah, that's pretty good. So that was pretty quick and easy. You can see it on here. It was quick and easy to do that. P.S. Forgot to tell you guys, we will get you guys a night shot of what this looks like at night. Obviously we didn't have the halogens at night, but you can just imagine how they are these days. We're just going to, I messed you up on the mic. We're just going to get a night shot of what they look like at night and how bright they are, just so you guys can get an idea. I'm sure that's what I would have wanted to see, but I just want to pop in here and tell you that. All right, now we're just going to put our plastic piece back on, and then, I don't know, I might use different body clips. I was already missing a couple. So that sits in there. We're going to put in all those clips. There's what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 clips. We're going to get those 11 clips in, and then this job's done. If you guys are interested in AutoOne or any other kind of LED lights, check out our channel. We have other videos on other lights, but the AutoOne, if you do consider these guys, they might not be the cheapest, which is okay because you want a better quality bulb that lasts longer, but they're not the most expensive either. So check them out. We'll leave a link to them down below. We'll also leave a coupon code so you guys can save yourself 15% off if you are looking for one of those. And give a big shout out to AutoOne for sending them to us. We'll try it out. We have had them in other things like I mentioned. So with that being said, guys, just a quick video for you to show you the AutoOne light. No problems yet. Until next time, guys, thanks for watching. Try something new.